Good morning, students of 6th ICSC. How are you, students? I think you all are good and well. This term portions are completed. So already I told you our lessons are minimized and we have only 12 lessons for this year, and I already have completed 5 lessons, and now I wanted to give you a revision, a thorough revision before the quarterly exam. So we will start with history lesson, that is unit 1 and 2. The title is the Mesopotamian civilization and the second unit is the Egyptian civilization. So first we will see the Mesopotamian civilization. Already I have taught you. We will see the main points. What is the very important in this lesson. Already we have completed the revision test in history, that is unit 1 and 2. Now I told you about the common question, that is general questions will be asked in unit 1 and 2. As I am revising, you can again and again watch this video so that you will be benefited by the test. The what questions I am going to ask in general I will revise in this video. You can go through this video again and again, and you can write the test on Monday well and get good mark. So let's see the unit 1, the Mesopotamian civilization. Just we will revise. First I wanted to give you the names of some cities that are situated on the banks of rivers. So the river name will be given, and then you can write the city. So just I will revise. River Tiber means you have to write the city name Rome. Hudson River, New York. River Seine, Paris. River Yamuna, Delhi. So like this general questions will be asked. Actually ICC we have to learn from the book. Inside the book only the questions will be asked, most of the questions. So already I have told about the introduction, and also we learnt about the rivers. Rivers provided sufficient water to support the large settlement. Then the land near the rivers was very fertile. People could grow more crops. The rivers served as a means of transport. And also we learnt what is civilization. Okay, below the civilizations there are 6 points. Already we have discussed. Already the previous teacher has discussed about that, and we learnt about the Mesopotamian civilization. What is the cradle of the civilization? Then the sources of the civilization. How we get to know about the Mesopotamian civilization? Through archaeological sources. Already I told you the test I will be asking the block letters. This which is given in dark, black and blue. So you can concentrate on these letters. Full sentence you can read so that you can see the question and answer in that paragraph. Origin. What is the origin of the civilization? Civilization developed under the Sumerians. This was the world's first civilization. Then about the Mesopotamian cities. Okay, this the sacred areas consisted of tower called ziggurat, on the top of which was a temple dedicated to the patron god of the city. Offices and storehouses were also situated in the sacred area. The walled city and the outer town were residential areas. This is about the Mesopotamian cities. Then about the social classes of the civilization. The kings were very powerful. Priests, high officials and scribes were next in importance. Then came the farmers, the artisans and the traders. Then the slaves were at the bottom of the social ladder. And then we saw about the families of the civilization, and then we saw the religion of the Mesopotamians. They worshipped the different force of nature. They also worshipped many gods. Each city had its own god. A ziggurat was the dedicated to the god by building his temple on top. The priests performed ceremonies in this temple. Excavated evidence suggests that the Mesopotamians believed in life after death. Many graves contained articles of daily use which the people believed the dead would need in their afterlife. And about the occupation of this civilization, what was the occupation? They were among craftsmen and crop production, irrigation, and with fruits and vegetables. They grow wheat, barley, corn, dates, and so on. They were a potters, weavers, sculptors, and glass makers, and so on. These are the occupation of the civilization. And about the trade and commerce, what was the trade? People traded in many goods. They imported raw materials, turned them into finished articles, and then sold them at home and abroad. The quality of goods was strictly supervised. This is about the trade and the commerce. And then we saw about the major achievements. What was the major achievement? Stone was not easily available in Mesopotamia, so buildings and temples were made of baked bricks. And then architectural forms such as arch, column, dome, and vault were used in the buildings. They were many stories high and decorated with marbles, tiles, and also precious stones. And this is an important question, that is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. Where it was the Hanging Garden were one of the wonders of the ancient world. They were built by King Nebuchadnezzar. And then we learnt about the signs of the Mesopotamian, the script, the Hammurabi's code of law. It is also a very important, what is called the Hammurabi's code of law. The earliest complete record of laws was found in Mesopotamia. A Babylonian king called Hammurabi in 1792 to 1750 BC compiled these laws. Hammurabi's code is carved on a huge stone slab. It lists about 282 laws governing trade and commerce, family, civil, and criminal disputes. It prescribes punishments depending on the severity and the offense, the circumstance of the offense, and the statutes of the offended. Then the decline, how this Mesopotamian civilization was declined. It was perhaps the earliest of the river valley civilization. It lasted many millennia but ultimately fell into decline. However, the strides made Mesopotamians in architecture, science, and script have enriched the history of humankind. Okay, in this lesson there are some of the questions. Just I will revise. As you are going to write the revision test, you can again and again go through this video, students. I have taken some of the questions. Just I will pinpoint only the dark letter words so that you can go through that as you are writing the test. Okay ma, in page number 8, it is in the first starting itself I told you the river name, and you have to write the city. And then I have taken the first para, I have taken some question, and the bronze age of the civilization. And then in Mesopotamian civilization in page number 9, that is archaeological sources. Then cradle of civilization, that's all in page number 9. And then page number 10, you can just go through, read the main topics, and also from the page number, mostly from page number 12, I have taken the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, and Hammurabi code of law, then cuneiform and then some of the importance of the religion, the major architecture, trade. Okay students, you can go through all this from this lesson 2, and then we will see some of the importance in the Egyptian civilization. In Egyptian civilization, we can see mostly we can see the periods. Already the introduction was given. We saw about the sources, origin, and then periods. Mainly in periods, page number 16, the Old Kingdom, Middle Kingdom, and the New Kingdom. You can concentrate on these 3 topics. I have taken some questions in that. And social classes, the dark letter and blue letter also. You can just concentrate. Life of the people, then the rich. You can page number 16, the rich and the poor. Concentrate on the rich people. In that I have taken some. Then the amusement is there, religious. Most of the questions from page number 18. There are 3 to 4 questions in page number 18 about the religion. Okay, how this munifying, what is mummy, and also the Horus. All these questions, Anubis, all dark letter words I have taken students. Just read the lesson once or twice so that you can understand and learn, write the test well. Then below the occupation, trade and commerce, major achievement, same like civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization also can see in major achievement, great pyramids, sphinx. Also the medicine from page number 19, mathematics, and also from the page 20 I have taken this from the script, astronomy, and also some of the papyrus, that is the paper sheet made of, that is made from which word, that is name the paper sheet is made. And also you can read the lesson. And also I have taken some of the importance of the Egyptian and civilization in common. Okay students, you can understand, read the lesson 1 or 2 times. Already you have written the book back questions, so it will be very easy for you to understand. Again and again for 2 or 3 times you are reading, and again I am explaining this lesson. So I want you to read this lesson again and again, and I think you will do the best and go through this lesson children. That's all about the unit 1 and unit 2 revision. Mainly concentrate on the block letter, some of the important names, dates are there. And in first lesson I told you about the river name and the city's name is very important. Okay students, I think you would have understood the lesson, and go through, revise it, and write the test properly. Thank you students.